The Dube Neighborhood Watch earlier today hosted an event and that was aimed at uniting stakeholders to tackle crime and to build safer business environments in the community. The organization is calling on businesses in Ward 38 and surrounding areas to partner with it in finding practical solutions to ongoing safety challenges. It says while measures are being implemented to combat crime, stronger collaboration with law enforcement remains critical.
Iqela elijongene nezokhuseleko lihlangene ndawonye ukumemelela amashishini wakuWard 38 nendawo eziyingqongileyo ukuba adlale indima yawo kwiinzame zokulwa nolwaphulo-mthetho.
We're sitting together as as the neighborhood patrol with business, just to try and identify the crime challenges that they've been affecting business. But at the same time, we're also saying what type of solutions are available and where can we help them, and also involving other stakeholders as well, such as about JMPD, about SAPS, and also local government, to see, for instance, what type of solutions can we offer them together as safety stakeholders. We've invited our partners who they offer security technology systems, because we are hoping to also ensure in terms of our offering as neighborhood patrol, we engage, we offer all those security technologies because with the era that we're in, there's no way you could still do security but without the necessary security technology.
Eli qela lithi kukho amanyathelo eliwahlelileyo ukujongana nemiceli-mngeni emininzi, likwacela ii-arhente zolwaphulo-mthetho ukuba zingenelele.
The concerns are wide, they're vast. However, our belief is that if we work with law enforcement agencies, you can imagine, as patrollers, we don't have resources. But if our law enforcement agencies, they're giving us the relevant support that we need, but it's sad because sometimes you'll try and call an ambulance, you will try and call SAPS, it won't show up. You'll try and call, sometimes even court systems, or maybe SAPS, you would see and you're not even getting feedback as well in terms of that arrest to say, no, what transpired.
Ukuphucula imo indibano ezikumila kunje ziza kubanjwa ukufumana izisombululo eziza kuzisa utshintsho. Kwiindaba zeSoweto TV, ndinguNomzabalazo Mduka eDube.